Now I will do Spring 2012 Math 115 Test 2 Chapter 5 Number 7. Let fx equals to 3x squared minus 5x plus 2. So what is f negative 2? Notation wise, it means I replace the x by negative 2, right? I replace the x here by negative 2. 3 times negative 2 squared minus 5 times negative 2 plus 2. That will be 3 times 4 minus 5 times negative 2 plus 2. That's 12 plus 10 plus 2. That's 24. Okay, now how about f 2/3? Means I replace the x by 2/3. Now a lot of students, when they see fractions, the first thing they have in mind is skip that. At this level, you have to go on. You have to be able to do this. Now I will do the exponent first. This is 3 times 4 over 9 minus 5 times 2/3 plus 2, and then now I do the multiplication. I can do cross cancel here. This is 4 over 3 minus 10 over 3 plus 2, which is equals to negative 6 over 3 plus 2. That's negative 2 plus 2, which is 0. Okay, lastly, f 0.3. That's 3 times 0.3 squared minus 5 times 0.3 plus 2. I do the exponent first. 0.3 squared, the way we think is 3 squared is 9, 1 decimal place being squared is 2 decimal places. Now of course, if you don't believe me, you can do the pancake. You can do it on your scratch paper. Now 3 times 9 is 27, 2 decimal places. 5 times 3 is 15, 1 decimal place. Okay, now if I subtract from left to right, that will be negative 1.23 plus 2, which will be, if you do the scratch work, it will be, I think that will be 7.7, 0.7.7. Now let me say a little bit from here. With what we have here, it implies that in part A, when the x is 2, the y is 24. In future, if I try to graph this function, then that function will contain this coordinate. Also, it will contain, in part B, 2 over 3, comma 0. In fact, if you think about this, this is one of the x-intercept. Okay. Now, another coordinate that you will see on the graph will be 0.3, comma 0.77. Okay, but that's for the future. This is for Spring 2012 Math 115 Test 2 Chapter 5 Number 7.